Okay. So d by ds into 24s raised to power 4, 5 and 48, so will remaining as minus 24s raised to power 5. Then we have to look into this part. If we can see, that is minus 2288 subtracted with the term 72 from here, then it will remain as a 216. 216 will remaining, and while adding with minus 24 you will getting 240. So hope you will getting minus 240 240 s cube, and last, that is minus 72s and minus 48s. So 80 plus 40, that is 120. So minus 120s divided by s square minus 1 raised to power 5. Now the next one, we have to apply the limit point, sorry, differentiation here. But we can take this part clearly. We can take this part here, or we can take something as a common from the numerator, so that we will get properly. If I am taking 24 as a common factor and minus sign also as a common factor, and taking outside from this bracket, then what you will getting here, you can just see to it that that is equal to d by ds that is, sorry, minus 24 we should take outside, minus 24 taken as outside, so remaining as s raised to 5 minus 10 s cube minus 5 s divided by s square minus 1 raised to power 5. आगे सिंप्लीफिकेशन में आपको इजी होगा, इसके लिए यहाँ पे लिया गया है. नाउ विल वी हैव टू टेक एज अ minus 24 as it is, taking the final derivative here, so you will getting s square minus 1 raised to power 5. Yeah, the terms must be positive because we taken minus as a common factor, and the derivative is 5s raised to power 4 plus 30 s raised to power 2 plus 5 divided by s square, sorry, divided by not, minus numerator as it is s raised to power 5 plus 10 s cube plus 5s into derivative of v, so 5 s square minus 1 raised to power 4 and 2s divided by s square minus 1 raised to power 10. Now next part we have to tackle here, or we have to sort out here, that is equal to minus 24. फिर इससे कॉमन फैक्टर निकलेगा, you can see, just observe this part, 5 and s square minus 4, 1 raised to power 4. 4 times we can take common and this part will get cancelled, so remaining will be kept as it is. So we have to multiply here 5s raised to 4 into s square. You will getting 5s raised to 6, 4 plus to 6. Then minus 5s raised to power 4. Then 30 is there, so plus 30 s raised to power 4 minus 30 s square minus 30 s square, then 5 plus 5s square माइनस 5। ये पार्ट तो आपका कैंसलेशन में चले गया है। 5 टू ज़ा 10s, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस 10s रेज टू पावर 6, देन 100s रेज टू पावर 4, then 5 to the 10, 10 into 5, that is 50 s square divided by s square minus 1 raised to power 100. Now we have to simplify and sort out the terms. Just see to it that properly. पहले पावर वाइज देखते हैं, हाईएस्ट पावर वाइज जो भी है। तो -24।
हेलो सर।
यस
सर एस स्क्वायर माइनस 1 का पावर 100 कैसे हुआ?
व्हाट?
एस
ये
स्क्वायर माइनस 1 नीचे वाला सर।
वो गलती से हो गया है, उसको रफ करते हैं हम लोग। That is simplify with 4, so it will become 6.
सर ऊपर का भी 100 एस स्क्वायर और 50 एस स्क्वायर प्लस में आएगा ना सर, माइनस में आएगा ना सर?
कौन सा?
100 एस रेज टू 4, 100 एस रेज टू 4 एंड 50 एस स्क्वायर।
Minus minus, yeah, minus it will be. Okay, any more changes? Okay, now -24 as it is, we have to look first power 6. So here power 6, here power 6, so we can take as it is minus 5 s raised to power 6. Then power 4 we have to see. So just you can see that this is power 4, this is power 4, this is power 4. Three terms are power 4. So you can go ahead with the proper way, that is 30, that is 25. So 75 we can write as it is. So according to that, we can be written as a -75. So -75 s raised to power 4. Then s square, s square, s square, s square is there. So s square minus 30 s square is there, माइनस तो -80 s square, उसमें से आप 5s square माइनस कर दोगे तो you will get again 75, but the sign with the same, that is -75 s square. Last only the constant term will remain, and the constant is, you can see that is a -5 is there, so we write as it is -5 divided by the denominator kept as it is s square minus 1 raised to power 6, and this is our solution. आगे चाहिए तो आप माइनस साइन कॉमन लेके मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे, यू विल गेटिंग माइनस माइनस प्लस, क्योंकि कोई टर्म कैंसलेशन नहीं होने वाला है यहाँ पे कि डिनोमिनेटर में कोई टर्म्स है जिसको निकाल के आप कैंसिल करोगे एंड यू विल गेट समथिंग डिफरेंट रिजल्ट। मल्टीप्लाई करोगे अगेन यू विल गेट द सेम रिजल्ट, फिर से 24 अगर कॉमन निकालोगे यू विल गेट द सेम रिजल्ट। अंदर से अगर 5 आपको कॉमन निकाल रहा है, यू विल गेट द सेम रिजल्ट। 5 निकाल के आगे 24 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे। So at the end, there is a no addition, subtraction, or any division terms is going to perform. So that's why we can stop here the final result. Because 24 into 5 अगर करूँगा मैं यहाँ पे 24 into 5, then I think you will getting 120. Just like here, 24 into 5 is a 120. That part we can write as a 5 factorial. 120 को अगर लिखना है तो you can write 5 factorial भी लिख सकते हो if required. So this is the result, exact actual result we getting after the solving with the multiplication by t raised to n. So hope everyone clear. Just see to it that 4 minutes, then we'll start the next numerical. Hope there is a no doubt in this problem, and we'll be proceeding with the new example or next example. एक numerical हो जाए फिर. Taking the next example, I think this is the third example. Integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus t under root of, sorry, t into under root of 1 plus sine of t into dt. We have to tackle this numerical. So as in a morning, I clearly mentioned one thing. If you remember, I don't know whether you are remember or not, but I clearly mentioned one thing. What I mentioned, if integral 0 to infinity is there in a problem, and integral 0 to infinity is present in a problem, then we have to compute. What we have to compute? With the definition of a Laplace transform. वहां पे फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग थ्योरम अप्लाई नहीं करना अगर इंटीग्रल 0 टू इंफिनिटी प्रेजेंट है तो. So I'm just taking the solution of this part. Solution, computing with integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t into dt. So according to this, what we get with the above two functions computing, s is equal to 1. s is equal to 1. आप कंप्यूट करके देखोगे तो e raised to minus t is equating with e raised to minus st. Therefore s is equal to आपको क्या मिलेगा? 1. ये कब करना है? When the function is given in integral 0 to infinity. अगर नहीं दिया रहता ये चीज, ये सिंबल, दोनों चीज, तो ये सॉल्व करने के बाद फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग थ्योरम अप्लाई करना रहेगा. प्लीज मेक दिस स्टेटमेंट क्लियर without any query, because in an examination such a problems will comes, and that time many students, or it has been observed that many students are applying first shifting theorem. So please remember these things when the integral 0 to or evaluation kind of a problems, integral 0 to infinity is present, you have to compute the problems with e raised to minus st with that respect your definition of Laplace transform से compute करोगे. अब remaining क्या बच जाता है आपका? t into under root of 1 plus sin t. So I'm coming to this part. So Laplace of, or I'm just writing under root of 1 plus sine of t, which is equal to 1 plus sine t. Can we write 1 as like this? Sine square t by 2 plus cos square t by 2. I'm just writing this part. Plus sin t के जगह पे 2 sin t by 2 into cos of t by 2. Sin square t by 2 into cos square t by 2 प्लस 2 साइन टी बाई टू इंटू कॉस टी बाई टू. होप किसी को ये चीज से इश्यू नहीं होगा, सबको समझ में आएगा. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा 1 एंड साइन 2 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2 साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा. सेम फॉर्मूला वी अप्लाई हियर इन टर्म्स ऑफ हाफ, बिकॉज हमको ये रूट से निकालना है, ये रूट आउट करना है. सो दैट्स वाई अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, अगर किसी को डाउट होगा तो दे कैन आस्क अंडर रूट sine square t by 2, means we can write this part as sine of t by 2 plus cos of t by 2 raised to power 2. अगर इसको एक्सपेंशन करूंगा तो सेम टर्म्स आई विल गेट साइन स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab और a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. So similarly we can take this part outside. So Laplace of under root of 1 plus sine t, which is equal to स्क्वायर रूट निकल जाएगा आपका यहाँ से, Laplace of sine of t by 2 plus cos of t by 2. Hope everyone clear with this problem. If anyone having any query or doubts regarding this, so please ask without any hesitation. Please ask. Now we can take the Laplace transform. Can anyone tell me about the Laplace transform of sine t by 2? Anyone from your side? कोई बताएगा मुझे? What will be the Laplace transform of sine t by 2? भूषण तेलवाने. कैन यू टेल मी? यस आशीष प्रसाद, प्लीज बोलो, आप ही बोल रहे हो तो।
1/2 upon s square plus 1/2 the whole square.
ओके, 1/2 upon s square plus 1/4 कैन आई राइट? सिमिलरली cos का भी हमको मिल जाएगा, s अपॉन s square plus 1/4, if I'm not wrong. Hope everyone aware about this part because it is a very simple thing. Okay. Can we adjust the denominator because already it is adjustable s square plus 1/4. So I'm just taking this part directly. So 4s square plus 1, 4s square plus 1 upon 4 इधर भी 4/2 हो जाएगा, ऊपर जाएगा तो this part. So we can write 2 plus 4s upon s square, sorry, 4s square plus 1. Hope these things are clear in your mind because we just taken s square plus 1/4, so 4s square plus 1 divided by 4, but वो 4 करोगे तो ऊपर चले जाएगा, तो 4/2 means that part you will getting what? You will getting clearly as 4/2, that is 2, plus similarly 4s square plus 1 divided by 4 come as a 4s. So according to that we get this, this is a Laplace transform of under root of 1 plus sine of t. Now the next part is what you can see that there is a t into means multiplication by t है, तो t into हम लोग करेंगे तो Laplace transform of t into under root of 1 plus sine of t. So minus 1 raised to n means 1 हो गया, d by ds raised to power 1, if you want you can write just like here, and the Laplace transform of under root of 1 plus sine t. So we can take this part as 2 plus 4s upon 4s square plus 1. So this part will becomes minus d by, sorry, I'm just taking the derivative directly here. So v by u by v, so 4s square plus 1 into 4 plus or minus 2 plus 4s, derivative of this part is 8s, divided by 4s square plus 1 raised to power 2 times, and this part cover. Hope I'm clear with this part. If anyone having any doubts regarding this, so please ask. I just taken a derivative of u by v. Already we solved such a kind of things, if you remember. Previously हमने solve किया, 5 डेरिवेटिव किया था, इसीलिए मैंने वो एकदम लेंदी एग्जांपल ले लिया था। ये हो गया आपका सम सॉल्व हो गया, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप सिंप्लीफाई करके लिख देना। लेकिन यहाँ पे हमको स्टार्टिंग में क्लियरली वैल्यू दिया गया है कि s इक्वल टू 1 है, तो मैं डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे s इक्वल टू 1 रखूंगा अभी। सो लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ इंटीग्रल 0 to infinity e raised to minus t into under root of 1 plus sine of t into dt, that is equal to s equal to 1 रखूंगा। क्यों रखूंगा? बिकॉज आई क्लियरली व्हेन इवैल्यूएशन प्रॉब्लम are given integral 0 to infinity is there, so that time you can just compute with the definition, and according to that you will get the value of s equal to 1. So s equal to 1 while putting here, so minus sign as it is, see 4 plus 1, that is 5, 5 4 is 20, so we can write one step if required, 20 minus 4 plus 2 6, 6 8 48, divided by 4 plus 1 5, s equal to 1 रखोगे तो 4 plus 1 5, so this is 25. Now after sort outing this problem you will getting 28 by 25. 5 because minus sign is there. So minus 28 will remain. So minus minus that part will be plus. So this is the exact or evaluation result or evaluating part or after simplifying this part. So I'm just giving one example to all and try to tackle that example. You have a 10 minutes. So आज मैं यही एक दो प्रॉब्लम्स कराने वाला हूँ बिकॉज आई जस्ट गॉट दिस लेक्चर. ये मेरा लेक्चर था नहीं और फिर भी मैं लेक्चर ले रहा हूँ दिस पार्ट. किसी को कुछ डाउट है ये एग्जांपल में तो प्लीज आस्क. आई एम आस्किंग एनीवन. सानिका एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस तो प्लीज आस्क एनीवन. रोशन लिम्बानी अनिकेत ध्रुमिल जोशी काजल ऋतुजा any doubt regarding this so please comment in a chat box or either you can switch on your mic and ask because this example this kind examples most time asked in examination. Maximum chances are there in examination. This kind evaluation problems are there. Sometimes it is also comes like to prove that this part will be given and clearly ask prove that 28 by 25. So at the end you have to calculate 28 by 25. So I'm just giving one example to all and I request all the students please try to attempt that part so that if any kind of a doubt will be there then definitely I am here to tackle that part of problem. I'm just giving this problem or writing this problem. Just see to it that this is a fourth number example. Integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t into t into sine square of t into dt. And this answer will be the answer will be 1 by 8. सब लोग टैकल करो सॉल्व करो. अगर 1/8 नहीं आता है तो प्लीज आस्क. I'm here. You have a 10 to 12 minutes so you can solve till 4. 4 बजे तक आप सॉल्व करो प्रॉब्लम. If any kind of a doubt is there you can comment in a chat box. I am here to see your chat box right now so please try to solve. So hope all of you got the result. I saw that is one, two, three, four. Four students commented in a chat box that they got the result. What about the others? Please let me know if you are facing any kind of a query or doubt. Then these are the important things. Okay, fine. So hope you people aware about these things, how to tackle the problems based on the multiplication by t raised to n, or when we have to compute the value of s from the definitions. Because when the integral 0 to infinity is present in a problem, then only we can compute, or we can equate the problems with the definitions. Otherwise we have to suppose in this example, if this symbol is not going to present, अगर ये नहीं प्रेजेंट है, तो सेम वर्क आपका होता है साइन स्क्वायर टी को जिस तरह आपने 1 माइनस कॉस 2t डिवाइड बाय 2 किया होगा, लाप्लास निकाला होगा उसका, फिर मल्टीप्लीकेशन बाय टी अप्लाई करके लास्ट में रिजल्ट में आपको फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग अप्लाई करना पड़ता। फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग मतलब क्या, जहां जहां पे एस रहता वहां पे +2 आप करते, s+2 s+2 s+2। So hope this thing is clear in your mind. So according to that, we can see more examples on these topics. Today we are getting two maths lecture. Yesterday also we had a two maths lecture. So hope today we have to stop early, 10 minutes early. 10 मिनट पहले रुकते हैं, कल मुलाकात करेंगे। एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट इज, please make a group. Tomorrow is a deadline. Tomorrow's 10:45 lectures. Please let me know about your groups. अगर नहीं बन रहा है, then definitely by Saturday I will paste a Excel sheet in Google Classroom. Thank you so much. One more thing, that is I'm taking the attendance, so please wait. I just released today 10 minutes early क्योंकि दो लेक्चर था, ये मेरा लेक्चर नहीं था, एंड आई हैव टू कंडक्ट, सो दैट्स व्हाई।